Hey guys, there is 2016 Ford Transit Connect, and I'm gonna remove this airbag and I'm gonna show you the way to do it. So first of all, you need to just make it like this, and then you need to come back on the back side, and I'm gonna try to show you. There is a pin right there. Oops, where is that? Okay, got it. Well, that's all you need to do, just push it. Okay, one side is already off. See this this side is already off. Basically just make another way, just push another time from this side. That's it, it's already come out. It's already come out. Easy way. All right, just need to disconnect everything.